In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish and automate your presentation to the web so it can run seamlessly like a well-oiled machine. Whether you're looking to share an engaging slideshow with your audience, set it up for a kiosk display, or simply show off your work in a dynamic way, these steps will get you there quickly and efficiently. First, you'll want to begin by opening the presentation that you wish to publish. Once your file is open, navigate over to the File menu, which you'll typically find at the top left corner of your screen. This is where all the magic happens. Now, from this drop-down menu, go ahead and select Share. This will open a new set of options, and from there, you'll see the choice to Publish to the web. Selecting this option is crucial as it opens up a gateway for your presentation to reach a broader audience. As you proceed, you'll find yourself in the Publish dialog box. This is where you can adjust the settings so your presentation can unfold just the way you want. One important feature here is the Auto Advance Slides option. This allows you to control how often each slide should change. Choosing between settings like every 3, 5, or even 10 seconds can really fine-tune the experience for your viewers, depending on the complexity and content of each slide. It's a good idea to think about the pace at which your audience will be absorbing information to select the best timing. If you'd like your slideshow to have a smooth start when someone hits play, consider ticking the option labeled Start Slideshow as soon as the player loads. This ensures that your audience doesn't have to fumble with starting the presentation. It begins as soon as it's ready. There's another valuable feature you might want to use, and that's the Restart the Slideshow after the last slide option. By checking this box, you set your presentation to loop continuously, which is particularly useful for displays in public settings, trade shows, or waiting areas where viewers might join in at different times. After you've customized your settings to perfection, it's time to click that Publish button. Once you do, you'll receive a link that you'll need to copy. This link is essential. It's your gateway to playing your presentation in exactly the manner you've set up, with slides advancing automatically based on your selected timing. Simply distribute or open this link wherever you need your presentation to play. And there you have it. A seamless presentation ready to share with the world, looping and auto-advancing to keep your audience engaged. Follow these steps carefully, and your presentation will be out there captivating audiences in no time. Thanks for joining me today, and I'm looking forward to seeing you bring your slideshows to life.